All right, fifth grade, we are at the end of our Penguin Research Unit. So all of you are going to be kind of in different places of this project at this time, but you need to go back and you need to make sure that everything is done. So the last time I saw you, many of you were working in synthesis and you were writing your penguin letter. After you wrote your rough draft, you were supposed to share your work with someone in your class and do some peer editing. So have that person help you make the letter your very best work. They will make suggestions to you. You will make those changes to your work, and then you will submit it. Once you've done that, before you move to the evaluation step, you need to go back and check your work. Did you do everything in task definition? Did you take the quiz? What do I need to do? Did you comment on what penguin you were going to be and not comment on anyone else's choice? Did you create your Google Doc and list 10 questions about your penguin and attach that to this assignment? Under information seeking strategies, did you do the little quiz about finding the information that you need? Location and access, there was nothing to do in this section. That was just where I listed your resources. Use of information. Did I take my notes, my 10 notes, and note which source I used and turn it in use of information? Synthesis. Did I write my letter using the template and turn it in here? Finally, in evaluation, go through and do the quiz in this section. Once you have done the entire 6 steps of the Big 6, you may move on to code.org or Typing Agent if it is before the end of class.